What it do, C-Fam? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video, bro, I actually just now finished washing the car. As y'all can see, you know, still got water dripping from underneath. But what we doing today, man, right, we about to change the side markers out, y'all. So as y'all can see, all right, we got this orange right here, bro. Listen, I don't have nothing on a car, C-Fam, that's orange. All right, y'all, not my interior, nothing on the exterior. All right, y'all, so everything on my car is either green, black, or bronze. All right, y'all, so yeah, we're just gonna be changing that out, man. You know, like, and then what, I don't know if I'm not colorblind or nothing like that, C-Fam, but this is red back here. So it's red in the back, all right, and orange in the front. Now keep in mind, my brake calipers are red, so I'm not too concerned about the back ones. But pretty much, y'all, about to get them all blacked out. You know what I'm saying? Shit, we got the tail lights black. We got all kind of black accents going around the car, C-Fam. But the missing component to the outside for sure is definitely, you know, the side markers, y'all. All right, so I think it'll be a lot easier, man, at least for the front, C-Fam, if I just turn this right wheel all the way to the left, and then this other wheel, the wheel that's on that side, turn it all the way this way, so that, you know, it'll be easy to at least access these front ones. All right, y'all, so the fronts should be easy, but the backs, all right, y'all, the back is gonna be challenging because I have 22-inch wheels and what, 315s or whatever I got back here. So it's gonna be really hard for me to undo these clips back here, y'all, and then fit my hand up here to undo these two screws that they have. So each side marker have 2 screws a piece, y'all. So yeah, I believe they're T25s. All right, y'all. So, but yeah, man, I don't know. Like I said, just wash the car, bro. Look at this. It's real carbon fiber right here, y'all. Stop playing. You heard me? Yeah. But yeah, C-Fam, hey, your boy feel good, bro, to be back on YouTube. You heard me? This boy is beautiful, man. F8 green. It's nothing like it, y'all. Sorry, bro, the sun is all in my eye right now, y'all. But hey, how this boy look, man? Boy, mean. I'm telling y'all. Forget me. Just admire the car, C-Fam. All right, y'all. Man, I'm really proud of myself, y'all, for sure. Definitely proud of myself, man. But hey, we finna get to it, man. I'm about to go over here to the auto skills shop or the auto skills center, and yeah, put this boy, I might have to put this boy on the lift, C-Fam. All right, y'all, and yeah, man, I'm gonna definitely start with the front 2 first, and then yeah, give y'all boys before and after pretty much, and then yeah, just go from there, C-Fam. So hey, look, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Shit, let's get to it, bro. All right, y'all, so I ended up trying to do the first method myself, right? Turn the wheel, try to get in the fender well. Y'all, I have big hands, dog. And since we have 22s on here, y'all, it didn't work. So what I ended up doing, y'all, was just taking off all 4 wheels. All right, y'all, so obviously, man, like whenever you do that, bro, the majority of y'all probably have 20-inch wheels, right? 20-inch stocks, right? And nothing wrong with the stocks, bro, you heard me? But yeah, if you got 20s, bro, you'll have a lot more room whenever you turn that tire this way. So like I said, I got 22s, y'all, 305s, I believe, and 315s, whatever. So yeah, big wide tire, eat up a lot of that gap, y'all, that I would have had if I had 20-inch wheels. All right, y'all, so yeah, now, man, you know, I put every single one of these right here by the tire. So yeah, all I really gotta do, take these little pins out and all that, and then go from there, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Just want to show y'all boys, hey, see, Will always willing to put the work in, man. Always, bro. You know, hey, these boys look good, though, I ain't gonna lie. These boys look good, man. But yeah, I'm ready to see how these boys gonna look. But honestly speaking, I really might start with the fronts, really, you know, and then do the backs. So yeah, let's get to it, man. All right, C-Fam, so as you can see, man, we definitely got everything peeled back. All right, y'all, so I could peel this right here back more if I need to, man, but I really don't need to. All right, so boom, go like that. And as you can see, you got one T25 right there, another one right there, y'all. So boom and boom. That's the only thing that's gonna be holding this side marker in, y'all. So let's get to it, man. So I got those T25 screws out, as y'all see right there, and then boom, peel it back. So literally, bro, there's this tab that's right here, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that, boy. This tab, all you gotta do is push it down and then pull up this way, down and up, down and up. All right, it's kind of hard to do it with only one hand, CEEFAM, but yeah, y'all should get the gist, man. So I'm gonna take care of this, and then yeah, whenever you putting the new one on, same exact thing, y'all. Plug and play, man. You just gonna put this back on this end, and then yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna show y'all how it look from the new one to the old one on the other side, man. So let's get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM, so we got the new one in, but we didn't button everything up, right? We didn't put the 2 T25 screws back in there yet, right? So you always want to trust your work, y'all, but you definitely want to verify your work, man. So yeah, let me just put this boy right here. Boom. And then voila, man, we got action, y'all. So as y'all see, this one right here, bro, is just one white LED stripe, which I think is better too, man, because this is obviously black, right? The overall tint is black, but then you just got the white LED strip versus this right here, y'all. Like I said, it's just me. This is just a dot. You know, Dodge, man, y'all wrong for this, man. Stellantis, whoever y'all go through, bro. But going from this right here, CEEFAM, look at that. Orange. Now, it stand out, you know what I mean? Like, you know, but it don't stand out in a good way. What's going on, boss? You all right? Oh, yeah, for sure. But yeah, stand out, y'all. But this right here, bro, more sleek. It's nice, you heard me? All that, yeah. So come on, man, we getting to it, y'all. You know what I mean? Your boy C will be getting dirty, man. I ain't, you heard me? Got my own clouds on, Nike on, man. Little light shirt that my wife bought me. I'm sweating too, y'all. Boy, sweating, man. But hey, we getting to it though, bro. You heard me? I love working on my car, man. Anytime I get a chance to, hey, we lit, bro. All right, CEEFAM. So look, something I forgot to tell y'all, right? So whenever it come down to these new ones, all right, there's pretty much no thread, I guess, within these, all right? So what you gotta do is take your old OEM screws, all right, and just, I guess, pre-thread it, all right? So before you button everything up, just wanna take your T25 or whatever like that, man, and just thread it all the way through first, all right? Just wanna screw that boy all the way in. All right, just to create that like familiarity, pretty much. You know what I mean, y'all? So just so this thread is familiar with what you about to put in there, bro. So yeah, because I actually ran into an issue, y'all. I was about to put it back on, and I'm like, you know, I was about to go in and tighten it, and then as I was tightening it, y'all, it was really hard to tighten. But I'm like, oh, that's why, because I didn't pre-thread it first. So yeah, before y'all tighten everything up, man, get this OEM bolt that y'all took out of the old one, all right, and just thread it to the new one so that whenever y'all go back and tighten it, it'll be a lot easier for y'all. So yeah, my bad, bro. Just don't forget that. CEEFAM, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this boy heavy. Oh my god. Putting this boy on, Jesus Christ. A 22-inch boy is over with, dog. Gotta make sure this bit lining up correctly though. You know how we get down, CEEFAM? This right here what you call strength, bro. Yeah, that. That's how you do it, big dog, bro. So now you just want to hand tighten them, bro, right? You don't gotta do it star pattern right now, but obviously star pattern whenever you tighten it up for real. Man. But yeah, hey, your boy getting to it, CEEFAM. I'm not playing. Your boy getting to it today, man. Real talk. You know what I mean? Making my damn money today, y'all. Sure, making my little bread. Bruh, going from a 20 to a 22, y'all, drastic change, you know? Now, it probably wasn't smart for me to do this if I was considering racing people, because essentially I'm adding weight, you know? But I'm not really a racer, y'all. You know what I mean? So it's cool. I'm doing it for the look, man, you know? So, but yeah. I'll holler at y'all boys whenever I get this thing all buttoned up. All right, fam, so I finally got all the wheels and stuff put back on. All right, y'all, so I tightened all of them up except this one right here. So I'm gonna just show y'all boys, man. So whenever y'all tightening up y'all stuff, go in the star pattern. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just show y'all boys how I'm doing mine, and then shit, just go from there. All right, so let me put this boy like this right here, just so y'all boys can see that bit. So start at the top. Boom. Go right here. All right, go right here. Go right here. Yeah. All right, so I just did that one time, right? So I went top to bottom to top to side and back to the bottom. All right, so now I'm about to just do it one more time, bro. And that's how you tighten it up, man, right? All right, y'all, so we are finally finished, man, putting on all sides of the side marker lights, man. So sheesh, was blacked out, man, which is what I definitely rather, y'all, because yeah, like I said, that green mixed with that red and that orange, nah, just keep everything stealthy, baby. That's it, you heard me? Keep it all nice and light, slight, you know, and then shit, everything else will take care of itself, you know. But yeah, let me lower this boy down. Man, your boy dirty, CEEFAM. I put that work in today. But like I said, bro, if y'all running regular stock 20s, man, with the 275, so even if y'all running stocks, man, with the 305s, 20s, y'all should be able to just get in there, all right? Both as well. You shouldn't even have to take off this back tire. But like I said, I had to take mine off because my 22s and the setup I'm running, it take up too much of that gap. People be asking me all the time if I lowered my car and everything, y'all. I'm like, hell no, I just put 22s on my stuff. You know, obviously lowering it is cheaper, you know what I mean? But I'd have the stocks. I kind of wish I had my stocks. But yeah, it is what it is, y'all. So I'm about to lower this thing, man. Oh, I be scared, boy. That bit be on that damn lift. Scared, boy. Shit, I need one of these for the crib. Good rotary lift. Hey, this boy nice, right, y'all? I like this boy. But yeah, had to use these. Don't want to mess up the bottom of my car, although nobody in the anger really gonna see the bottom, but your boy will. Oh, but yeah, CEEFAM, shit, pretty much done, man. I'm gonna show y'all shit how this boy look. Probably at night too. I'm contemplating, man. I just want to be done with this video, you know. Oh, but yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how it look at night, bro. It is what it is. So I'm gonna have to extend this video. Might drop this boy shit day after tomorrow, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all boys how this thing look in the light. Show y'all boys how this thing look at night, and then go from there, dog. I appreciate y'all boys. Just wanted to show y'all, man. If y'all running a setup similar to mine, or if you got 22s, 24, 6s, this is how you gonna do it, all right? If you're running 20s, it's way easier. Turn it to the right, turn it to the left, whatever. Get in there, and you should just be able to get in there, you know what I mean? So get it in the back area, whatever. But yeah, man, I'm about to clean my little area up, and then yeah, show y'all boys how it look on the outside. All right, CEEFAM, so look, I just finished everything up, y'all. All right, finished up everything. So now I'm about to get out, bro, show y'all boys how the car look, at least in the daytime, you know what I'm saying, y'all? Hopefully y'all can see some kind of difference. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Oh, it's hot out in Germany, boy. Ah, Sheesh. Whatever, that's fine. All right, CEEFAM. So, as y'all can see, this is how this boy looked. I washed it this morning as well, y'all, right before I actually did the side markers and stuff, y'all. So yeah, as y'all see, I got a little bug on my stuff. Never mind, that boy flew. But yeah, man, shit, that boy look good now, bro, for sure. So that's the front. Let me let y'all boys see the back now, man. Sheesh. Yeah, this straight right here, y'all. You know, so like I always say, y'all, it's the little subtle changes that matter the most, man. You know what I mean? So this is something that's gonna set me apart from other Chargers, other Challengers, other Mopars, y'all. Right now, it's not the biggest mod in the world, CEEFAM, but at the same time, bro, it's a mod. You know what I mean, y'all? And this is part of making this car mine. You know, so yeah, man. Like I said, I definitely think it looked good. I like it, y'all. You know, that all black stealth out look. The boy look nice, y'all. Sheesh. But hey, y'all, look, next video, man, is definitely gonna be so I actually teamed up, man, with a company called American Brothers, right? So yeah, pretty much I redid the whole engine bay, y'all. So I ordered like $1,400 worth of engine bay parts, pretty much, CEEFAM. So man, I'm talking about shit, almost everything you can think of cover wise, I went and did it. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So yeah, full remake. Everything is gonna be matching F8 green, and I don't want to spoil it, y'all. I don't want to spoil it too much, CEEFAM. You know what I mean? But hey, I definitely appreciate y'all boys for stopping in, man. It's a nice, beautiful day out, bro. Get out, enjoy yourselves, man. If y'all got loved ones, man, tell y'all loved ones you love them. Spend time with your kids, spend time with your sister, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, all that, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Life is too short, CEEFAM. So yeah, spend that time, that valuable time, the correct way. You know, I'm gonna spend it with my family, and I'm gonna spend it with this car, bro, that I work really hard for, CEEFAM. And this boy just look good. Hey, I'm really contemplating, CEEFAM. I'm really thinking about putting like some stripes on there, stripes that kind of match the rims, kind of like bronze stripes. That's the color scheme I'm thinking about. Either that or just going with, you know what I mean, a hood wrap, roof wrap, and a trunk wrap black. You know what I'm saying, like a matte or satin black. You know, so yeah, either stripes or like just wrapping it black. You know what I mean, the whole top, just doing that. You know what I mean, or just shit, wrapping the whole car again in general, y'all. So that's what I'm thinking about, y'all. It's really what I'm thinking about, CEEFAM. And then another mod as well, another mod that I'm thinking about, y'all, right? Y'all know how like CJ have like that clear, I guess, like that clear hood scoop or whatever, I don't even know what to call it, like that clear glass that's right here, y'all. That's what I want to do to this, man. But I contacted 2 shops about that, CEEFAM, and them boys is like, man, we don't feel comfortable cutting into your yada yada yada, you know, water might get into it and blah 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 blah. But I'm saying though, if y'all seal it the correct way, right, then man, I should be good, because I really want to paint my supercharger like a certain color, y'all. And then, you know, I want to do a lot to this, bro. I want this boy to be shit showroom ready, or you know what I mean, car show ready, y'all. So yeah, this car is actually on the cover of a car show, you know. So I'm gonna put it right here, y'all. We actually made the cover of a car show, man. So yeah, might have to pop out. I think it's like June 21st, so it's next weekend or something like that, y'all. So shout out to, you know, the company that, or the restaurant that actually put me on the cover, man. That's hard. But yeah, CEEFAM, hey, I'll holler at y'all boys, man. Shit, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff, bro. Let's get to it.